Have you ever heard an old wisdom that sounds like this? If the version of yourself today is better than the version of yourself yesterday, then you are a lucky person, a profitable person. But if the version of yourself today is the same as the version of yourself yesterday, then you are at a loss because one day has passed but you gain nothing. And if the version of yourself today is worse than the version of yourself yesterday, then you are in trouble. This wisdom emphasizes the importance of continuous self-development. When I heard about this years ago from my teacher, I didn't really understand the significance of it until I came across a book called Atomic Habits by James Clear. Now that I'm a teacher myself, I want to share this wisdom with you. Okay, let's take a look at this graph here. Even a small improvement, as tiny as 1% a day, if you do it consistently for 1 year, on anything you do, or any goals you want to achieve, or perhaps a new habit you want to adopt, you will end up 37 times better at it. While the opposite also true. If you are 1% worse every day, consistently, you will end up with almost zero. Well, if you do not make any improvement at all, you just lose your time. This graph here resonates perfectly with the wisdom. This is the power of compounding. Albert Einstein once said, compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it earn from it, and those who do not understand it pay for it. Okay, let's continue on the bright side. So you see, in order to achieve your goal, in order to become the best at anything you do, in order to adapt a new habits, you don't need a big changes. What you really need is just atomic changes that compound over time. Even though the formula is this simple, why still many people fail? Well, it has something to do with the expectation. We tend to project our effort and the result that we get as a linear line. Well, you see, the reality is often not linear, it is exponential. In the beginning, there is a gap between the expectations and the reality. This gap is called a valley of disappointment. Many people do not realize this. And most of them, they just gave up halfway without achieving their goal. Okay, luckily for us, now we know about this. So here are 3 magic words that you can remember in order to achieve your goals, in order to be the best version of yourself. First, you need to have vision. You need to have a vision to see yourself in the future. What is your goal? What you want to achieve? And then the second one, you need to have courage. So you need to have a courage to take actions, to overcome the challenges, to embrace the failure along this valley of disappointment. And the third one, you need to be patient. So you need to be patient and trust the process. Understand that everything cannot be obtained instantly. Let time be your friend. If you have the discipline, there will be a moment where these two lines intersect. And now, the reality that we get is way above our expectation. People call this success, often seen as overnight success, because they just see you at the top. They do not see the hardship that you need to endure in the valley of disappointment. That's all from me. Thank you.